And now the moment you've all been waiting for. The hippest, coolest bar in town. Let's all welcome the Cool Bar by Keter. 1. It's a coffee table. And 2. It's a cooler. It can also keep your drinks cold for well over 12 hours. But wait, there's more. 3. It's a cocktail bar. Easy to wash and practically maintenance-free, the Cool Bar is a must for any patio or yard. So what are you waiting for? Go out and get yourself the ultimate 3-in-1 garden accessory and keep your friends and family cool all summer long. Keter Do-It-Myself Show.